kami sa China Tirupati, guys. So, it's like an hour away from here, right, baby?
Yeah.
Malaking temple siya na lagi naming binibisita whenever we go somewhere or yung changes sa buhay-buhay pa. Like before we went to Hyderabad, we visited this temple also with Ataya. Parang mag-aas lang ng ng guidance and safe journey. Yun yung panata ni Daddy Ram. And si Ryan lang yung kasama namin kasi yung ibang bata natutulog pa. It's gonna be a quick one, right, baby? And most probably not many people today.
Yeah.
Ito na kami, guys. That was quick actually. And then, ang ganda ng daan. So, hindi masyadong hassle. It seems like not many people are here. At least hindi tayo mahihirapan. Kasi pag maraming tao sa temple, talagang lagsa, guys. Si Ryan natulog sa sa lap ni Ataya. Natulog ulit. Ito yung entrance.
You guys get down, I will park car and come.
Okay. Let's wait for Daddy, okay? Not allowed sleepers, guys. Kaya nakapaalang kami. Sana sa malapit lang mag-park si Ram. Pwede ding iwan ang mga tsinelas dito. Parang 10 rupees, 20 rupees ang bayad. Pasok na kami, guys. Hanggang dito lang pwedeng magdala ng cellphone. May mga nakapaskil. Bawal magdala ng cellphone sa loob. Bawal mag-take video din. So, we'll see you later once we are done praying. Nakalabas na kami ulit, guys. And we got prasadam or yung pagkain galing sa temple.
Prayer food.
Yeah. It was so solemn. Praying talaga, guys.
So good, eh?
Yeah. Felt so good.
How is the experience? What did you pray, Nana? What did you... Ryan is so good, actually.
Yeah.
He's putting Botu without anybody on telling also.
You know what to do now.
Hmm.
Prayed the nag for guidance. Sana we're going to Philippines? Huh? Huh? Pray, pray. Bumibili si Ram ng prasadam guys or yung temple food para dalhin sa bahay. Hihintay kami dito. So many, Daddy.
A lot of kids there, right? You can eat the sweet things. People, you all like it, right, kids?
Hmm. Go first and then Nana ma. Careful. Prasadam time. Guys, come on.
Raya, nada.
This is what I like. This one. Please, can you open, Daddy? Yes. This is laddu. And then the other one is pulihara.
Laddu ang tipulo.
Okay. Let's eat. What do you want to eat first? Okay. Ryan? Are you eating the laddu? So good. Which one was the other one? Different color, Daddy?
Anavaru.
I like that one more.
Yeah, that is everybody's the way to Vizag.
But this is good also. We bought a lot. How much each?
50 rupees.
This one?
50.
All? Like
Everything's
each? This is so good. That will have is good.
So, no? Very good.
That's good also. Oh, sorry. So nice experience. So quick. But they ate already.
No.
But I can't wait for the for lunch. For what Prasanna is cooking. Where did you go, guys? Huh?
White House.
Ah, okay. Sa bahay ng uncle nila.
No, White House.
Babagaru house, they're calling White House. We went to the White House.
Full white.
Yeah. Mutton, guys, for lunch. Thank you so much. Why? What did you do to Tanvi, huh? You left Tanvi behind here. You all went there. That's why she's sad. Right, Tanvi? Nice dress. Where's Adia? She's not there?
There.
Ah, she went somewhere. Kumakain na sila ng lunch, guys. Tapos na kami ni Daddy Ram. It's their turn naman. So good. Gusto ni Ryan yung buto. Tapos si Tanya naman nagrereklamo kasi gusto niya din. Tapos wala lang ibang buto dito. Let me check that. I think don't have that. Next time, okay? Tell Daddy.
Is this chicken or mutton? Mutton.
Spicy? Patay. Good, Daddy. Good. Good. Keep eating sununda, guys. How many you ate already?
2.
Right at this moment too. Dalhin sana ito sa Hyderabad, guys. Wala na. Ilan na lang natira. Si Ryan, every night kumakain. Right Daddy, before sleeping, kumakain. 2, 3. Sununda. Ay nako, paborito nilang dalawa. Sa akin, very sweet kasi siya. Kaya, hindi ako masyadong kumakain ito. Do you want more? Take. Only
I can't find any gold
gummy
ones.
bears and what else?
Reese's.
Anong tawag? Reese. You don't like the Reese one?
It's Reese's.
Reese's pala. Sorry naman. Aruhi, do you like this or no?
Yeah. You get the golden one. I want the golden one.
Nana, you can have. This is a lot.
Yeah.
Reese's pala. Oh.
I want the golden. So this one is green.
Take as much as you can. This is all yours. No problem.
The green. The kind.
Okay. You like this one, no?
Which one?
I'm not sure if you like it. That's why. The gummies. Say happy birthday, Lolo Bear. Happy birthday, Lolo Bear.
Happy birthday, Lolo Bear.
7 o'clock na guys. Si Daddy Ram nasa bahay ng kanyang pinsan. Pagkatapos kasi namin kumain ng lunch, nakatulog kami ni Daddy Ram kasi nga maaga tayo nagpunta sa temple kanina. Yung experience namin sa temple, my God, very solemn guys. First time namin na talagang makalapit doon sa God area nila, which is very rare, pati si mother-in-law. Kailangan kasi may kakilala ka, then pwede ka nilang papasukin doon. Then hindi ka na kailangan maglinya-linya, ganon. Natuwa kami kasi at least na-try namin na ma-experience yun, yung malapit talaga sa Hindu God nila. And then, one thing is, birthday ng papa ko today, January 15. Happy birthday pa! Kahit nakatulog ka na. Tumawag ako kay mama guys, ang tagal namin nag-chat ni mama. Then sabi ko, nasa na si papa? Sabi niya, natulog na yung papa mo. Kasi may party-party sila doon sa bahay namin. Laging ganyan guys. Pag birthday ni papa, mas nauuna siyang natutulog kaysa sa mga bisita. Kaloka talaga. Anong oras pa? 7:30 or 8 sa Pilipinas nakatulog na siya. Tapos yung mga kaibigan niya nandoon pa rin. Si mama yung nag-i-entertain. Sabi ni mama, tawagan mo na lang bukas yung papa mo. I-greet mo na lang. Kasi wala, natulog na talaga. Naku, ang kulit talaga ni papa. Sabi ni mama, happy naman daw siya sa kanyang birthday celebration. And the best part is, on February 7, di ba, birthday ni Daddy Ram. Tapos February 8, birthday ni Mama. And then February 9, birthday naman ng pamangkin ko na si Maui. So, magti-triple celebration kami sa Pilipinas. Hopefully, on February, guys. So, nakaka-excite lang isipin na first time itong mangyayari. Sama-sama kami. Wow! We got sweet corn! And someone is
Yeah.
back.
Seems you're angry. Please out.
No, it's
I'm
okay.
going out again.
Ganyan talaga siya pag Sankrantian, busy-busy. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Huh?
Some chicken die.
Some chicken what?
Die.
Chicken dance?
No. Chicken fight.
Chicken fight. Oh, chicken
Yeah.
fight.
Some six dead. Fighting and dead.
Dead. Oh, fighting again.
No. Daddy keep them call.
So there's chicken fight, right? Daddy brought you there. A lot of chickens. Tai chindi? Because of fighting? Yan yung tinatry niya sabihin kanina. Oh, you did not bring me? I was sleeping, right?
Yeah. There's no place. But
Si Aruhi at si Raya nandito. Nagbabasa sila, guys. Where's your book, Tanvi? Huh? Where's your book?
I don't have to.
You read also? Seryoso sila. Si Tanya kasi andoon, oh. Nag-online class. Busy siya. So, busy-busyhan din itong dalawa. Did you finish that book, Aruhi? That's a good book. You should finish that one. Ryan, that's the first book, right? Second book will be blue color. After that one, read the blue book. Then, second volume. That's Ryan's favorite book. Tanya also should read. What are you reading, Nana? Is it yours also?
Yeah.
Show me the front page. So I will know. Oh. Who gave you that? Tita Iris maybe? I'm not sure anymore. Ang dami na kasing libro ni Ryan. Ranvi, you will miss Padma. When we go Philippines.
What?
Are you going to cry? Huh? Huh? Ano guys, si mother-in-law ko, iyak ng iyak. Araw-araw umiiyak. Pag may pagkakataon siya, yung kami lang dalawa, hinahag niya ako, tapos umiiyak na naman. Then doon din sa temple, habang nandoon kami nagpe-pray doon sa malapit sa God, umiyak din siya. Yung parang, guide them always, ganun. Ang lungkot ni mother-in-law. Pero gano'n naman talaga ang buhay. Babalik pa naman kami. Food properly na. Lagi naman namin silang bibisitahin.
Slimy teeth, guys.
Okay? How is it? Are you beautiful?
Slimy squeeze.
Huh? Beautiful Tanvi?
Squeeze balls for you.
Iiyak to for sure. Iiyak to. Pagbalik namin ng Hyderabad, iiyak to. Are you done, Tanya? With your online class?
I'm done with my online
Very good.
class.
Are you gonna read now?
Yes.
What are you reading? The other one also, once Arvi is done with the first volume, then you can start reading.
Okay.
Your family is busy here, like a boss. Nakakatuwa. Nag-ano sila guys, develop sila ng kanilang reading skills. Well, si Ryan, iPad skill. Tapos na siyang basahin yung mga libro na yun. Someone is counting money, guys.
1,000.
Who gave you money? Binigyan siya ng pera ni Ataya. So where are we going now?
Buy tissue. You better not use my money. Nanama gave it for a reason for me to use it.
Okay, I won't use your money. Pupunta kami sa grocery shop kasi bibili ako ng tissue. It's already 9:28 guys. And I'm not sure kung open pa sila. It's open guys! Let's go! Someone is going to be tempted to buy something for sure.
I can get whatever I want.
Yeah. You have money, right? You can get whatever you want. Except soft drinks. The chocolates again. You just finished a whole packet of chocolate, right? Mahal daw, mahal. Nagbago ang isip niya. So, you're confused? Get something for them also. Your friends,
Yeah, but
your cousins.
Mommy, I cannot handle this.
It's so spicy. No, I even cannot handle that one. What more you? Okay, choose. I'll get some tissues. Okay? Ang empty naman. Mag-close na ata sila ng 10. Nasaan kaya ang tissues? Diyos ko, hindi ko mahanap. Pero ang ganda. May ganito na sa namin. Probinsya. You got one? Okay. Put it here. What else? Here. Tissue. Dala ako ng 2 roll, guys. Naubos na. Ilang araw pa kami dito. Gusto ko to. Some croissants maybe. May chocolate ba? What else you want? How many lollipop? 4.
How much is one?
It's okay. It's not much. You get some chocolate also maybe for them. You want to buy that big Kit Kat? Check how much. It's enough, right?
149.
Oh,
Including all taxes, it's 149.
Including all taxes. Nagkukumit na rin siya ng tax. So how much is your money? 1,000? Nagka-calculate. $431 na yan. 500. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan, for treating mommy also. So what you got, Ryan? Mag-haul daw siya ng pinamili niya.
You got mommy's tissues.
Thank you so much. What else?
You got 2 of mommy's tissues.
Okay.
Croissant.
Croissant for who?
This
For mommy?
small kid.
For mommy?
That's for the small kid.
Oh, for the small kid?
The kid small kid.
Okay, next.
We got some cake,
Muffins, yeah. Cake muffins. Muffins, I think. Oh.
Yeah, muffins.
Okay, next one. Nariligo pa si Tanya at saka si Aruhi.
We got some curls.
Okay.
We got some Doritos sweet chili.
For mommy, thank you.
Even more. And lollipop for us. Is it needy?
Binigay na lahat kita ni.
And this is for the others.
Okay.
And then last but not least,
Kit Kat.
this is for everybody.
Okay, we'll wait for them. Once they're done taking shower, then you can give them, okay? Dini-divide niya, guys, equally. 17 pieces daw yan. You give also pasanap pinian na nama, okay? Two.
Giving all my parents.
Yeah. He's giving to your parents.
If you want your prizes, you have to go up. I'm in my old man voice. Okay, this is for Prince Stanley. So, this is Prince number 1.
Raya, no. Give properly.
And then these two for you.
Thank you, Ryan.
And then this one for me. Every Tanya doesn't like lollipop.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Actually, no, mommy, you have it.
Thank you.
Oh God, I'm still in my old man voice. Okay, let's say bye to guys. Bye guys. Let's say